In July 2020, we made a total passive income of... Welcome back to the Millennial on Fire channel, where we talk personal finance, wealth building, and share details about our journey to financial independence. Today we want to go over everything about passive income during July 2020. If you are new here, me and my wife are middle-class Americans with no kids working towards financial independence. Our initial goal is $1 million of net worth by 2026. And if you are interested in how we plan to do it, keep on watching. If you are interested in following our journey, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. It's totally free to do and it really supports us. So we are working towards financial independence, and we are documenting everything we have learned around this topic. We are not experts, but we have started tracking our anti-budgeting, net worth, and passive income here on YouTube. This video is 2 of a 3 video series. The first video is detailed video about our net worth, including our debts, assets, growth, and progress to FIRE. It came out last week, and make sure you check it out. The third video coming out next week is all about the details on our anti-budget and saving methods. We are including information on our finances about how we allocate money to retirement accounts, dividend portfolios, and other funds, and we also go into detail about our credit cards and earn money from points. If you are interested in those topics, make sure to watch those videos as well. Financial independence is not about having a lot of money, it is focusing on future financial yields. So we focus on growth, dividends, and market gains through various investing accounts, including IRAs, 401ks, and our brokerage accounts. We also have a few semi-passive income streams we are working on that we will go into detail soon. Working towards financial independence, passive income streams are extremely important to us. We are working now to develop a few different streams of income to create completely passive income and semi-passive income streams that will support our living expenses. Passive income streams that require little to no effort to earn and maintain, whereas semi-passive income streams are streams that require little to moderate effort to earn and maintain. There are many ways to build passive and semi-passive income streams, but our favorite and what is most accessible to us is through investing. We are focusing on dividends we receive from stocks through companies we own. We contribute monthly to our M1 brokerage account, and our goal is that eventually we will be able to use some of our dividends to support us financially in retirement. We also want to note that we do not include dividends earned in our IRAs or 401ks because these are not accessible to us until we hit retirement age, and our goal now is to have streams of income to support us until we get there. So today we are going to look at a few different streams of income, some being completely passive and some being semi-passive. We are going to look at the interest on our high interest savings account, our brokerage account focused on dividends through M1, side hustles, and our progress here on YouTube. We will also address the goals and timelines we have hit for each of these items so you can see where we are going. So now we want to discuss our passive income streams we bring in every month. We're going to start with our high interest savings account through American Express. This account made $12.18 for July 2020. It isn't much, however it is more than just sitting in a checking account. However, with the impact of coronavirus and decreasing interest rates, American Express has slashed their interest rates on their savings accounts. Our goal for the emergency fund is to maintain a balance of $15,000 because this amount will cover our bare-bone expenses for 6 months. Next, we're going to look at our dividends earned in our M1 brokerage account. This is a project we started at the beginning of 2020, and we love watching this account grow and earn income over time. This is the account that we focus on dividend investing to alleviate some of our expenses in early retirement. Dividends are distributions of profits that the company has earned back to its shareholders. Dividends earned in our brokerage account for July was $16.28. We try to invest between $1,000 and $1,500 a month, and with our gains, we have just over $11,000 invested. We focus on companies that we believe in and do our research on, and also pay back their shareholders. Typically, most companies pay their dividends quarterly, so we will see a lot of fluctuation in dividends earned each month. July for us was a lower month. Regardless, we would like to have our dividends around $40 a month by the end of 2020, and our long-term goal is to grow this account to make around $400 in dividends to help support us in early retirement. So if you want to stick around to see if we get there, make sure you subscribe. We also want to remind you that we do earn dividends in our IRAs and 401ks, but because they are automatically reinvested and we cannot access the money until we retire, we don't count these up each month. Okay, now we're going to move on to our few side hustle incomes. Right now, I help with the record keeping and taxes for a small rental company, and my payout is usually paid quarterly. No payment this month, but stick around for August, as you'll be surprised to see how much I was paid. My wife does occasional online and in-person therapy, and this month she did not work extra at all. She is hoping to pick up a few hours next month, but this does not make or break us. A few other side hustles we are working on is the YouTube page you're watching and our blog. Right now, these are not generating income, but our hope is that eventually they will. We are tracking our numbers to be monetized, and right now we have 226 subscribers out of the required 1,000 and 124 watch hours out of the required 4,000. We are hoping to grow our channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by the end of 2020. This might be a bit of a reach for us, but we will just have to see what happens. We will continue to track these numbers, so if you want to see if we get there and get monetized by the end of the year, make sure to subscribe and check back each month. So that is all for today, a breakdown with details on our passive and semi-passive income streams. In total, for July 2020, we made $28.46 in passive income. As you can see, this is nothing substantial, but it is encouraging to see that we have made income with very little effort on our part. This is the area in our financial journey we are hoping to grow the most so we can get one step closer to financial independence. We definitely have a long way to go, but we feel confident that we can get there. We will be checking back each month with these numbers as we continue to grow and work towards our financial goal of financial independence. We hope that by seeing this, you can feel like you can take control of your own financial journey, so get started today. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next week.